Hey guys, today 2019 Topps Series 1 has just come out, so we got two boxes. We opened them both. We got some pretty cool cards, and then we also got some silver packs. So let's jump right into this. So first off, just getting with what the card looks like. So these cards bring out the 1984 design. And it's a Shohei Ohtani, which is pretty cool. And then the base cards of this year are like this Ronald Acuna Jr. So, I was kind of disappointed with my autograph since I don't know who it is. But he is a rookie, which is nice. Cedric Mullins for the Orioles. Legacy of baseball. Then we have a 150 stamp, Corey Kluber. The only reason we showed that is because he was the best player that we got a stamped card of. And the stamp says 150 on it since it's the 150th year of Major League Baseball. Then we have a Jack Flaherty Future Stars Rainbow. Blake Snell short print. Then we have a gold Chris Bryant. Gold Freddie Freeman. Gold Brad Keller. And a gold Whit Merrifield. Then we have a base Shohei Ohtani. We have a red Corey Seager, numbered out of 10. It's a pretty cool card. So yeah, don't know how good the player really is though. So let's hope he does good this year. And then we got 3 patches. One in this, 2 in this. One of our patches was a giant Felix Hernandez, numbered out of 150. So, yeah, that one was pretty cool. Then we got a Albert Pujols patch. Not numbered. Wait, where's the number? No, it's not numbered. And to end it out, numbered out of 150 is a orange Jose Altuve patch. So yeah, we got some pretty cool cards. Maybe not the best autograph, but still nice. So now, let's get into our 3 silver packs, and let's see what we get. Cal Ripken Jr., Don Mattingly, Javier Baez, and Francisco Lindor. Okay, second. Patrick Wisdom, Justice Sheffield rookie card, Brad Keller rookie card, and a green Buster Posey, numbered out of 99. Okay, final pack. What will we get out of our final silver pack? Darryl Strawberry, Bo Jackson, Corey Kluber, And finally, a purple Jesus Alligar, numbered at a 75. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to tune into our next video. Signing out for now. See ya!